Nyoj. I've written a few songs now for the Hmong-speaking people, and I wanted to write one for the English-speaking people who maybe have Hmong friends or they want to learn to speak Hmong. So this song just teaches a few beginner Hmong phrases. So here we go. So you want to talk to your Hmong friends, well they're saying things behind your back, but it's really right to your face cause you don't understand it anyway. Well I can't help you out with that, but I can give you a little phrasing to make you look amazing. Let's get started, there's no turning back. Nyoj, that's how you say hello. Well that's all good and well, but what do I say when I want to go? Shinji-do, that's how we say goodbye. Well, it's really we'll meet again, but if you're really friends, well, that's no lie. And manners are everything, so that's why you say your chow. When you want to thank them, got it good, cause we're moving on now. And sometimes you do something nice, and maybe they might thank you. So you say Giolica, so they know you're happy too. So you say that's a lot to take in. Will it take a breather then? Okay, breathe is over, now it's time to count to 10. E-O-P blow, G-Jo-Sha, E-Good-Go, 1 to 10, now start again. E-O-P blow, G-Jo-Sha, E-Good-Go, that's how you count, that's enough for now. Now let's talk about when you take your girlfriend out, assuming that she speaks some Hmong. Better know how to say Guzuko. Of course it means I love you, but you should know another one. Better know how to say Tossy. Apologize when you're acting dumb. And what if you're feeling hungry, and the feeling just won't stop? When your stomach's making the rumblies, you can tell them Gu Chai Blah. Well that's all I got for now, so for now you can count it out. Listen to the song again, then go out and impress your Hmong friends. E-O-P blow, G-Jo-Sha, E-Good-Go, 1 to 10, now start again. E-O-P blow, G-Jo-Sha, E-Good-Go, What-Cha-Gom-Lang-Nang-Dao Hulu Hmong.